Hey guys, it is Robyn over at Russ Darrow Metro Mazda. Today I'm going to show you the perfect vehicle for all your fall activities. Now this one is currently in our shop. It is being charged. However, this is the 2025 Mazda CX-70 Plug-In Hybrid. So a couple things that stand out on this vehicle. It is the same size as the CX-90, however it eliminates that third row. This color is specific and only available on the CX-70s. This is the melted copper. Now, not only is this a premium vehicle to drive with your leather seats, added features like heated, ventilated seats, etc., but it is very, very spacious. So the CX-70 is seating for 5. Where this to me appeals as the perfect fall vehicle is once we come back here. Now we do have it preloaded with some accessories. However, you can get a better idea on the cargo space on this vehicle. By eliminating that third row, this has all become cargo space. So now with that being said, if you have kids who are involved in fall sports, football for example, those pads and helmets and all the excess gear really does take up quite a lot of room. This very easily accommodates it. I know in our household, our CX-70, we actually use for golf clubs. So we constantly have 2 full sets of golf clubs back here. Now another thing that makes this nice is if you are loading up and you need a little bit of extra space, it is right here at your fingertips, and that second row seat has gone down. Once we do lift up here, you are going to have access to nice little storage area here underneath, full-size spare tire. When we pull it up even further, there is additional storage space back there. So again, even if you're just hauling kids and goodies, maybe pumpkins, plenty of space in the CX-70. Now the CX-70 is not our only perfect fall vehicle. However, it's a pretty nice one. So whenever you are ready to come and check out the brand new Mazda CX-70, give us a call here at the dealership. I will see you guys again soon.